Graddedigion, rhieni a chefnogwyr, croeso cynnes iawn i chi i seremoni raddio adran y Gyfraith a Throseddeg, yr adran Ffiseg a'r ysgol Chelf. Graduates, parents and supporters, a very warm welcome to you to the graduation ceremony for the Department of Law and Criminology, Department of Physics and the School of Art. Fy enw I yw Dr Glenys Williams, fi yw prif dywyswr y seremoni raddio yma. Fy rôl I heddiw, gyda gweddill y tîm yn y neuadd, yw I sicrhau bod y seremoni yn rhedeg mor esmwyth a phosibl. Cyn I ni ddechrau, dwi am tynnu eich sylw a trai pethau ynglyn â'r seremoni. Bydd y seremoni'n dechrau gyda gorymdaeth o staff, yr adrannau academaidd, gwesteion a swyddogion y brifysgol. My name is Dr Glenys Williams. I am the Chief Marshal for this ceremony. My role today, alongside the rest of the team in the hall, is to ensure that the ceremony runs as smoothly as possible. So before we start, I want to highlight a few things about the ceremony and how it will work. So it begins with a procession of staff from the academic departments, invited guests, and officers of the university. Fe fydd y seremoni'n dechrau gyda anerchiad gan y gwir anrhydeddus ffonesig Nicola Davies, canghellor y brifysgol. Ac yna fydd Eli Norris, lawr fan hyn, yn dod i'r llwyfan I gyhoeddi'r proclamasiwn. Wedyn, byddwn ni'n barod I groesawu chi'r myfyrwyr i'r llwyfan. The ceremony will begin with an address by the Right Honourable Dame Nicola Davies, the Chancellor of the University, followed by a proclamation of the congregation read by Ellie in the front here, we will then welcome our students to the stage to receive their rewards. Right, the head of department will then move to this lectern and say a form of words in Welsh that presents the students to their award. So he would say something like this. Anrhydeddus is canghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor yn y celfyddydau, or whatever degree it is. This translates as, Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students from our department who have gained the degree of, and whatever your degree is. We then invite the students to cross the stage to formally receive their awards as the head of department reads the names out in order. After the students have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be invited to stand and be greeted by the Vice-Chancellor in Welsh with the following words. Triawdurdod y brifysgol a ymddiriedwyd I mi, derbyniaf chwi I radd baglor yn y celfyddydau ac I holl ffreiniau'r radd hon. This translates as, by the authority of the university entrusted to me, I receive you to the degree of, whatever your degree is, and to all the privileges of this degree. The Chancellor will then greet those of you who are standing and say, Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac anrhydedd ein prifysgol a'n gwlad. This translates as, may your care ever be for the success and good name of our university and country. There's a slightly different running order for smaller groups of students, including PhD students, and I've spoken to you already, whose degrees will be conferred on the stage. But essentially, the words spoken by the presiding officers are similar. Full details are provided in the graduation brochure, including a translation. Ar ddiwedd y seremoni, byddwn ni'n sefyll I ganu anthem genedlaethol Cymru, a gyfynnwn I chi beidio a gadael y neuadd nes bod swyddogion a staff y brifysgol wedi gadael y llwyfan. At the end of the ceremony, we will all stand to sing the national anthem of Wales, and we ask that you do not leave the auditorium until the officers and staff of the university have left the stage. Bob blwyddyn rydym yn enwebu elusen fel ein elusen y flwyddyn. Eleni rydym wedi bod yn codi arian ar gyfer ambulans awyr Cymru. Elusen sydd yn ddibynnol ar rhoddion a sydd yn cynnig gwasanaeth allweddol i'r rhai sydd angen sylw meddygol bris o fewn ein cymuned gwledig. Os ydych yn gallu helpu ein hymdrochion codi arian, mae bwcedi casglu wrth y drysau wrth i chi adael. Byddem ni ag Ambulans Awyr Cymru yn ddiolchgar iawn am eich cefnogaeth. Every year, we nominate a charity as the university's Charity of the Year. This year, we are raising money for the Wales Air Ambulance, an all-Wales charity dependent on fundraising to provide a key service for those in need of urgent medical attention within our rural community. If you are able to help our fundraising efforts, there are collection buckets at the doors as you leave. Both we and the Welsh Air Ambulance would be grateful for your support. Os oes argyfwng yn ystod y seremoni ac yn ofynol I ni adael yr auditorium, gyfynir I bawb aros ar ei heistedd nes I aelod o staff eich cyfeirio at yr allanfa berthnasol. Hefyd, os oes yna ddamwain neu ddigwyddiad yn ystod y seremoni, fe fyddwn os oes angen yn stopio'r seremoni I ddelio â'r mater. Wedi dweud hynny, fyfyrwyr, cymerwch eich amser. Does dim bris I gerdded I fyny ac I lawr y grisiau. Dyma'ch diwrnod chi, mwynhewch. In the event of an emergency requiring us to leave the auditorium, we request that everyone remain seated until you are directed by a member of staff to the relevant exit. Also, if needed, we will stop the ceremony to deal with any incident or accidents that occur. That said, students, please do take your time. There is no rush to walk up and down the steps. This is your day, and we want to make everything as enjoyable for you as possible. Thank you for your attention. We're now almost ready to begin. Diolch am eich sylw. Byddwn yn barod I ddechrau yn fuan iawn. Thank you.
Bore da, a chroeso cynnes iawn I chi. Good morning and a very warm welcome to what I know will be a particularly joyous occasion. My name is Nicola Davis and I'm Chancellor and a proud one of this university. Today it is my great pleasure to lead these proceedings. This ceremony is steeped in over a century and a half of history, tradition and heritage. It is an occasion designed to recognise academic excellence, your achievements, and a significant milestone in your journey as you make your mark on the world. Today's ceremony is also a celebration, one that we want you to enjoy and always remember. On stage, I'm joined by members of our academic community here at Aberystwyth University. We're also joined by officers of the university and, importantly, by prominent members of our wider community. The reason we all come together for graduation is because of the immense pride we feel collectively in you, our Aberystwyth graduates. We gather to celebrate your successes and hope that you, like generations before, will feel that Aber is a part of your life. Our celebration today is about recognizing your achievement as someone who is and will always be part of this special place. Seeing us in our robes, honoring all of you in yours, can feel somewhat formal, perhaps even intimidating. But that isn't what we want you, your family and friends to remember about today. We want you to remember a joyous celebration, and we need your help to create such an atmosphere. Please remember this. As our graduates cross this stage, it will be a defining moment in their lives. It will be a moment that unlocks the next level and sets a course for a successful career. And that is something worth shouting about. So please do. Don't be shy, just cheer, just clap, because all our graduates deserve it. On this occasion, I would also wish to recognise the contributions of one particular group of people, namely the staff in your departments and their colleagues throughout the university. They work incredibly hard, often unseen, to make your time here a success. They take great pride and pleasure in days such as today, when they see you take such a significant step in your respective lives. So please join me in thanking them for all they have done to contribute to your achievement. Diolch yn fawr iawn. For those not familiar with the great history of this university, Aberystwyth is the oldest university in Wales. Established over 150 years ago, we are extremely proud of our heritage in making a key contribution to the life of our nation. Our mission is to change lives for the better through all we do. That includes education and academic research. And it is important to recognise that both of those elements impact on people from all over the world. Whether it's someone who has grown up in Aberystwyth or someone from the farthest reaches of the planet, this institution continues to be a beacon of light, growing knowledge which makes the world a better place. Our students and staff contribute a huge range of cultures and languages to our community here, which reflects how Aberystwyth attracts expertise and learners from all over the world. And we are very proud to conduct the ceremonial elements of this occasion in the language of our home nation, Welsh. It is the language in which many generations of Aberystwyth graduates have been honoured and welcomed into our family of alumni. Today, you too join that worldwide family. I warmly congratulate you. It is an achievement and an honour. So please, make the most of today. Enjoy the ceremony. Cheer loudly for all those whose success is the focus of these celebrations, because it is an occasion upon which you will look back with great pride. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Byddai'r hysbys I aelodau'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn presennol y gynhelir cynnychiad awdurdodeg heddiw yma yn Ref Aberystwyth. Trwy awdurdod Siarter Brenhinol Prifysgol Aberystwyth, yr ydym yn ymgynnull I dderbyn yw priod wobrau fyfyrwyr sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddysg, medr a dyfel barhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfr wobrau. Dathlu neu llwyddiant yn y gobaith y cant fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu eu hoes a'i cenedlaethau. A thrwy eu hymdrechion a'i cyflawniadau y cyfant at wybodaeth a bydd cenedlaethau I ddod, ac ymrafael a heriau sy'n wynebu ei byd. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth. Gorau awen gwirionedd, the best inspiration is truth. Let it be known to members of the university and to all here present that today an authorised congregation is being held here in the town of Aberystwyth by the authority of the Royal Charter of Aberystwyth University. We meet to receive to their appropriate awards those students who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance been deemed worthy of their awards. We celebrate their success in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their countries, but also that through their efforts and their achievements they may contribute to knowledge and well-being for future generations and confront the challenges that face our world. A world without knowledge is no world at all. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth.
Anrhydeddus I Sgangethlo, cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr ond hadran ni a enillodd rath baglo yn y celfyddydau. Abigail Barclay Jones. Sophie Codwin. Jasmine Kashangura. Luca Pitt. Mary Bennett. Seren Chicken. Susanna Francis. Sebastian Hamkari Vilia. Hebe Harris. Tatum Howell. Conal Ingram. Johan Tig Jones. Frankie McCarthy. Catherine McIntyre. Daisy Pitt. Bethany Rice. James Ritchie. Jack Smith. Oscar Wilkie Brown. Isabella Hughes. Stephanie Jervis. Emily Colhoun. Hope Pitt. Darry Price. Catherine Wilson. Hope Jevons. Ching Feng Chin. Scarlett Waters. Elan Williams. Asher Jarvis.
Rydych is gankeklo, covered night ihi, fyddewyd yn hadrannu a enidloedd radd, baglo ana cyfriddau. Ellie Taylor. Isaac Yip.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol am ddyrioed oed I mi, dibyniau chi o radd baglo yn y calfyddiadau ac holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofl yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid eich prifysgol yn gwlad.
Is gankeklo, covering night ihi, fyddewyd yn hadrannu a enidloedd raf baglo miwn gwyddoniaeth. Olivia Antle. Elizabeth Bentley. Georgina Cousins. Lydia Evans. Ryan Finney. James David John Fisher. Dominic Foster. Jack Jennings. Neve Lavery. Owen Gwynfor Morris. Ellie Mae Norris. Neve O'Reilly. Seth Nicholas Edward Phillip. Alicia Rogers. Emma Rogers. Millie Saunders. Evelyn Secker. Dylan Smith. Sarah Sopalova. Sinead Thomas Richards. Rowan Titley. Erin Ward. Imogen Whitehead. Owen Yeoman. Aida Arindel. Rebecca Burton. Faye Chatterton. Grace Collins. Dylan Davis. Ethan Dixon. Sophie Edwards. Josie Harden. Matthias Hickens. Mia Jones. Harry Lloyd. Keisha Richards. Heather Marie Shenton. Emily Soar. Sky St. Louis. Jessica Stubbs. Charlotte Taylor. Abigail Thomas. Olivia Allen Ridge. Bryony Bradley Docker. Rowan Bretherton. Libby Cumming. Nia Davis. Caris Fenn. Ryan Foreman. Poppy Payne. Natalie Sweeney. Sophie Cooper. Seren Hughes Moore.
Drwy dywydod y prifysgol, myfyriwyd oed I mi, dibyniad chi, y radd baglo mae'n gwyddoniaeth ac i'r holl ffriniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
Yn rhededus ys ganclo, gyflwyniad y ci ffwffro o'n hadron ni a enochlod rad baglo moyn gwyddoniaeth. Sophia Sensel. Jack Frieden. Jack Duffy. Eva Fletcher. Torbjörn Christofferson. Ella Murray. William Tutel. Mela Lynch. Shabab Ahmed. Alexander David Graham McCrory. Louis Shaw. Matthew Bonner. Jake Faze. Rania Hindi. Alisa Smith.
Srwydydod y brifysgol am ymddiried oed i mi dibynnu ar chi y radd baglo mae'n gwyddoniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed o'ch gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhydydd ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
Anrydydus isgankeglo, cofrinaid I ci, fyfywi on andra ni a enidloedd radd baglo yna cyfrithaidd. Michael Evans. Charlotte Elizabeth Funch. Sophie Perry. Gabia Petrulaite. Hedda Piper. Kelsey Scott. Ari Kenny. Mohammed Azmi bin Ramatullah. Lyndon Cheng Lin Rui. Imogen Elsa Sophia Cox. Zainab Demirel. Georgia Ellis. Tian Emery. Young Se Fu. Will Fuller. Subhasri Gopal. Alfred Hallam. Harini Harikrishnan. Molly Harrison. Eleanor Hatcher. Kwok Shen Ho. Sarah Ibbotson. Kathy Jobs. Samuel Thomas Louis Keenan. Jeannie Cole. Ing Tong Kwak. Jacob Larn. Wen Xuan Li. Winnie Jing Wei Leung. Pavitra Mahadevan. Nikita Mahendran. Katie Mason. Eliza McBride. Ben McSeveny. Eloise Metherill. Nancy Mohammed. Alia Safia Binti Mohammed Akram. Sri Kesavinotini Narasimam. Cheryl Jing Jing O. Charlotte Painter. Toby Pekis. Chi Yuan Pun. Dashini Prabhagaran. Kethana Raja Sega. Alicia Marie Richards. Srileka Shamaine Saravanan. Darian Sanjay Saravanan. Talia Shuka. Aisha Rose Smith. Elizabeth Tate. Johan Thomas. Wan Mohammed Adib Farhan bin Wan Mahadi. Gabriela Wall. Hugh Sean Wong. Alan Wong Kai Lun. Frideri Hedwin Owen. Christina Ziu. Caspar Zygmunt. Rosie Edwards. Rebecca Harvey. Amy Jane Jones. Evie Jones. Kira Jones. Lily Pickavans. Vasha Raj. Caddy Roberts. Glesney Morris. Rebecca Rees. Keely Christie. Natalia Novak. Blessing Samuela Sibavian Simon. Walid El Humeid. Hannah Glyn Bohr. Rizwana Michaela Braganza. Iwan Aris. Karen Ndesamburo.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol a'r ymddiriaid oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo mae'n moyn cyfryddau ac I holl ffreniau radd hwn.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid, ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
And Rydych is gankala, cyflwyniad y ci ffwffro o'n hadron ni a enillod rad bagla moyn parianig. Rai knives. William James Paran Musselwhite. Jacob Ellis. Thomas Jackson. And Rodian Davis Thomas.
Trwy dydod y brifysgol, ymddiriaid oed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd baglo mae'n perianeg ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Boed eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac yn rhyddid, ein prifysgol ein gwlad.
And Rydych is gankala, gylynaf y ci ffwffro o'n hadron ni a enillod rad athro moyn Ffiseg. Artemis Chapman. Leo Peter Day. Lean Ford. Jack Linnock. Katie Saunders. Toby Brown. Aspen Solaris Thorn, Flora Claire Cooper Running, Hope Sexton,
Trwy dydod y prifysgol, myfyriwyd oed I mi, dibynnu ar chi, y radd athro mae'n Ffiseg, ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
And Rydych is gankeklo, covering night iki, fyddywyn on andrad ni a enidloedd raf, athro ana cyfrithiau. Maria Batul. Jasmine Brown. Sasha Green. Joseph Samuel Kaminski. Muhammad Ikhwan Ahmad Mahfouz. Macy Jo Bailey. Henry Horton. Erin Porter. Ellie Mae Salis.
Trwy dydod y prifysgol, a myfyriwyd oed I mi, dibynnu ar chi, y radd athro yn y cyffreithiau ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrydethus is gan gethlor. Cyflwyna fi ci, fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni, a enithlodd rath athro yn y celfyddydau. Jessica Louise Phillips. Robin Pringle. Cameron Anderson Riley. Harriet Chapman. Carol Jasper. Urian Morgan. Emma O'Donovan. Sky Porter.
Gradedigion is gankeklo, covering night ichi, Vyfywi on hadra ni, enidloedd raf, athro, ana celfydydau. Fionn Davies. Yasmin Jamie. Mia Ellis Miller. Grace Eleanor Owen.
Trydydod y brifysgol yn feriau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd athro yn y celfyddydau ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Gradedigion is gankeklo. Covering night ichi, Vyfywi on hadra ni, enidloedd raf, athro, mewn, gwyddoniaeth. Lily Casey Green. Sydney Cowan. Eloise Doughton. Frederica Lilith Lash. Joseph Walters. Alicia Barton Torold. Phoebe Schedule.
En Gradedigion is gankler, gyflwyno fy ci, ffwffwr o'n hadron ni a enillod rad atro moyn gwedona iaiad. Levi Derbyshire. Kieran Norton Walder.
Trwy y dydod y prifysgol am dderiau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi, y radd athro, mae'n gwyddoniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd am o'r eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn athrawon.
Ancridatus is gankeklo, coverinite iki, the on 100 ni enid Lloyd, Rav, Doithia Rieth, professional. Abdulaziz, Omar Al-Akbari.
Trwy y dydod y prifysgol, mae dderiau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd doethoriaeth, proffesiynol ac yr holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd am o'r eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethir.
Ancridatus is gankeklo, coverinite iki, the on 100 ni enid Lloyd, Rav, Doithia, Mewin, Athroniaeth. Judith Dahlgren. Marcela Atieno Odero. Ismail Karaka. Rosemary Jane Toll. Rebecca Rose Zeck.
Trwy y dydod y prifysgol, yn dderiau doed I mi, dibynnu â chi y radd doethau mae'n arddroniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd am o'r eto, da gan y brifysgol eich derbyn yn ddoethuriad.
Yn fydeddus ysganclo, cyflwynaf y ci ffwffro o'n hadron ni a enechlod rad dyweta moyn afoniaid. A sydd y ganddi, Matthew Wayne Jevon.
Trwy'r dydod y prifysgol, ymddiried oed i mi, dibynnu ar chi, y radd doethau mae'n athroniaeth ac i'r holl ffreniau radd hon.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol a'ch derbyn yn doethuriad.
Bore da, bawb. Fwy enw i athro John Timmis, a fi yw isgangellor y prifysgol. Mae'n bleser dechrau trwy dweud llongfachriadau mawr iawn I chi heddiw. Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Professor John Timmis. I have the privilege of being Aberystwyth University Vice-Chancellor. It's great to be with you today and offer you my huge congratulations to all of you who have graduated today. And I'd also like to thank everybody for being so engaged and shouting and cheering a lot. It's got us off to a great start of graduation week, so thank you very much indeed for that. You listened to the Chancellor, which was great. As the graduands and then graduates came across the stage and we doffed our hats, you as graduates, you crossed that stage. Not only did you graduate, but you took a significant stride forward in your chosen field or career. And it also cemented your place as part of a family. That is the worldwide family of Aberystwyth University. And a very, very warm welcome to that family. And I can tell you from experience that it is one, if you so wish, that will embrace you and support you for many, many years to come. And be in no doubt at all, you deserve it. You have worked hard. I'm sure you have had good times, and I'm sure you have had challenging times. But you have made it, and you are here, and we are privileged to be able to share this day with you. Rydych chi'n heiddi dathlu heddiw. Dywyrnod chi yw achrydu I staff y prifysgol a ddiolchgar am y cyfle am y rannu dywyrnod gyda chi. For me, it's extra special to see your achievements, as many, many years ago, I also walked across this stage to graduate. I was a student quite a long time ago here, but I know what a life-changing experience getting a degree, and for me it was a PhD as here at Aberystwyth, is all about. Looking back, one can see the profound impact this university has had on my life, but also the lives of so many others. In my case, Aber was the springboard I needed for a career that took me to many places, meeting lots of new people and taking on exciting new challenges. I never dreamt in a million years that I would get the opportunity to be back here as Vice-Chancellor, giving this speech and doffing my cap to other people. But the funny thing is about this place, about Aber, is that it never really leaves you, no matter how far you go or how long away you are for. There is something intangible about Aber that I can't quite describe. And I will guarantee that you will be in a random place, in a random country, and you will meet somebody that was either here or knows somebody that was here. You just will. It's the ABBA effect. You may feel that special connection to ABBA on a day like this, but believe me, over the years, it actually gets stronger. Mae ABBA nawr yn rhan ohonoch chi, fydd y byth yn gadael chi. Dwi'n gwybod hynny fwy na neb. I love graduations. I always have. And like many colleagues here, I see graduations as a great celebration and a time that we look to you, our graduates, and admire the journey you've been on, and we feel gratitude and pride that we have been able to play a part in your journey. It really is a huge privilege and an honour to work with each and every one of you and see how you move on to the next stage of your lives. And there is a lot going on in the world today that challenges us, but that has been true for some time. You are a generation that lived through the COVID pandemic, as hard as that was for so many reasons. But you've come through testing economic times and you've witnessed global instability, the likes of which haven't really been experienced in most of our lifetimes. And with all of that, you have successfully graduated. To do so, you will have shown great resilience, determination, as well as a huge amount of talent. The planet will continue to face significant challenges, financial, political, wars and instability. But I, for one, take great comfort and excitement knowing that some of the solutions to those challenges could well be shaped by you, our Aberystwyth graduates, and graduates like you from all over the world. Could I reiterate something the Chancellor said earlier? That you may have seen some of those people who have helped you throughout your studies here, your lecturers and other Aberystwyth University staff. And I can honestly say that the staff here are totally dedicated to your commitment to and committed to your success. And I know today's ceremony will have been a great deal of pride and emotion for them. So felly diolch yn fawr iawn I staff y Brifysgol. So a big thank you to the university staff. But looking around you today, many of you will also see friends, supporters, family members who have been with you and who have supported you during your studies and a long time before. Even more poignantly, I dare say that some of you may be thinking of friends or family members who are no longer with us. Whoever it is who has supported you on your journey towards this moment, this graduation, I would like you, please, to stand and feel free to give them a wave if they are here. Certainly hold them in your thoughts if they are not, and thank them all for all they have done. Can I ask you to stand and thank everybody in the room? Graduates, we stand. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you, everyone. Worldwide family of ABBA alumni I was referring to earlier, it's a pretty big family. It's partly, as we've said, we've been doing it now for over 150 years. So that's 150 years of academic excellence, career-changing experiences, and of partnerships and friendships established. So please do stay in touch with us as you move on to the next phases in your lives. Now, cyn gorffen y seremoni, hoffwn I ddweud unwaith eto pa mor falch ydyn ni ohonoch chi. So before you go and celebrate, I would just like to reiterate that we are immensely proud of what you have achieved. Grateful to those who have supported you, and we wish you every success in whatever it is you do next. Please do hold a special place in your heart for ABBA. Go into everything you do as an energy giver, not an energy taker. Be confident in your abilities and expertise to make your mark in the world, and do what generations of ABBA graduates have done before. Go into the world, make a difference, and change lives for the better. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. Diolch. So to conclude, we are now at the final part of our ceremony. So please do join with me as we close our ceremony in our traditional way, which is to sing the Welsh national anthem, Hen Lawd fy Nghadau. So please can I ask you to stand.